Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself deliberately. Approach the defender at a slight angle while holding sprint so momentum helps the animation. Once done, set the left stick to orient your player toward the gap. This determines the direction of the right stick move. Now perform the first actionable step. Flick the right stick quickly in the intended direction, then release immediately. This is the only way trigger that creates separation. Keep pressure controlled so your timing matches the defender's weight shift. You continue by chaining the next right stick input with precise timing. Aim for about 0.3 to 0.5 seconds after the initial flick. This creates a believable combo rather than an overcommitted celebration. Make sure to use small left stick nudges to steer the player through the follow-through animation, because that control decides whether you keep possession. When under pressure, vary the right stick direction. Doing alternate flicks confuses tackles and opens lanes. You finish by accelerating into the space you created. Tap sprint, then push the left stick to run the angle and exploit the gap. If the move fails and you get dispossessed, make sure to reduce sprint while you flick. The high-speed momentum can cancel the animation and slightly delay the right stick flick so it reads the defender's commitment. Once done, practice these intervals in training to match different player skills. That repetition tunes your reflexes, so the only way becomes reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.